Hi everyone, it's Charlene and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be filming a two-part video. So this is video number 1. We're going to be creating a YouTube banner.
Hi!
And video number 2 is we're going to be uploading our YouTube banner. Jolie says hi to everyone. So if you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe to see future videos. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back. All right, so let's start with making our YouTube banner with the help of our PicsArt app here. So there are many ways to create a YouTube banner, but this is the way I choose to do it, straight from your phone. So feel free to screenshot this image here because this is your go-to image for creating a YouTube banner. So my arrows will lead you to the way on how to create this YouTube banner. So let's click on add photos and we're going to go to free image where we could select beautiful images that we have here straight from the PicsArt app. So I'm going to choose K-pop, one of my favorite backgrounds to do. So there is a wide selection of themes, backgrounds that you could choose to create your art. So this is some of the things that I am into. You could get really creative with using these images. All right, so now we're ready to create our masterpiece. All right, so let's arrange these backgrounds here. So I'm just going to align them. There's many ways that you could form this. So one of the cons that we have with using the PicsArt is that when you widen these photos, it kind of stretches out your image. So you got to be careful with adjusting your image, but you could still create beautiful YouTube banners out of these. So I'm just aligning my image to fit into the square area, to this light gray area. We could also rotate and flip these images if you like. So I'm just going to show you guys a quick close-up of the banner here. So now I'm deciding that I don't really like the centerpiece art here. So I'm just going to go back into our image and change that centerpiece image and choose a new one. So just a quick tip. I like to screenshot my image once I make a background, just in case I want to go back in and change it. Because once you hit that apply button, you are applying this art. You can't really go back and delete the progress that you did. It's there. So screenshot your image to save the progress. So that's just a tip for you to know. So now that our background is complete, it's time to add our text in our images, our decoration to our banner. So now we're going to write in our banner. I'm going to write in my name to show you guys how decorative we could get with our banner. So as you can see, there are many font styles. So if you don't find the color you're looking for, you could also customize your color selections. So now I'm going to show you guys how I add photos to our art banner here. I'm just going to go in back to where we have our image here on our photos. So now that we selected the photos that we want to add to our banners, we're just going to cut with a feature that we have here on PicsArt, which you could cut out your image and put it into your banner. So it's a pretty cool feature that you could apply it to your art piece here. All right, so I'm deciding to go with the other image. All right, so now that we placed that there, I'm going to show you guys the call out feature. So this feature is useful for when you want to be more creative with words and add words onto your banner. All right, so now that I placed that there, I'm going to show you guys the sticker art. So that I love this because in the stickers features, you could add a lot of creative art piece. This is where you could get really creative with your banner. You could go in and look for or search for any type of art piece that you want to add to your art. So right now I'm putting a subscribe button. In the sticker feature, you could also find logos such as Instagram, Facebook, the subscribe button like we have here. And there's so many things you could find in the stickers features. I just love it because everything you need here is here. So have fun with this, explore it, do what you gotta do. So now that our banner is finally complete, we could upload this, but first we got to crop and get this into Fonto before we do this. So if you want to know how to upload your banner, click on my upload your YouTube banner. So now we're gonna save this and we're gonna upload this to our MacBook, or if you have a PC, so that we are able to upload our banner. So now that our banner is upload ready to go, fontoed and everything, we are going to upload this, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks on the YouTube channel page here. All right, so that's how it looks. All right, and this is how it looks on desktop, PC, and on your phone. So there you have it. So I just want to say a final disclosure. You cannot upload your image if you do not go and adjust your image in Fonto. So I just want to let you guys know that, because YouTube has a standard image size that they expect their banners to be. So go watch that part 2 video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.